Jesus. October 1st. That means the microphone's coming in today. And I can't wait for it. Yesterday was a super long day at work. So, taking a little easy today. Walking. Watching the new Peter McKinnon video, and look what mic he has. That's the microphone I'm getting today. There we go. Got caught up watching some good YouTube content. Matty Hapoya, you know how it is. Always creating good content. But today came in the Deity microphone. So let's go ahead and open it up. Kind of open it a little bit away from the camera. So, a little bit of backstory. As I was saying, I am a regular at Matty Hapoya's YouTube channel, so I was watching his video and then he just randomly mentioned this microphone that is dual-sided, so that if you're behind the camera and shooting, you can still talk to the camera and people will still hear you. Obviously, we've all seen vlog videos and stuff like that. So naturally, this microphone, I'm using this up here as well, if you're talking away from the microphone, it's not going to pick up your voice as well as you're obviously staring at the camera like this would be. So, I saw it on Amazon. It's the Deity mic right here. Let's open it up. Sorry if you hear background noise. I have people that live in my house. Features: easy to use, no batteries needed, switch between mono and stereo, auxiliary output, and lavalier microphones, 2 furry windscreens. Thank God. Because if it only sold with 1, that'd be kind of confusing. Obviously a little manual. I have to open this up. There's a card in there. What does it say? Oh, service warranty, and if you didn't know, the company is Deity. Focus. This is an $85 mic, so if you buy it, it's going to come out to almost $100. And then the microphone itself, front and back. And right here. This is the front right here, this is the back. This is where you plug it in. So let's go ahead and put this all back on. And it fits snug too, I like that. I like that this fits snug on. See, both of my microphones of these, they're still loose, but I had to mod them with tape right here so it's thicker, so that the windscreen would stay on. Same thing with this mic up here too, except I did this one a better job. So let's go ahead and test it out real quick. Alright, so here we are testing out the microphone. See, you can hear me from the front and or behind. So this is honestly going to be like almost like a game changer in a sense for you're going to vlog with your camera, which I feel like a lot of content creators do. Boom. Okay, so with this mic, I'm learning that when you have it flicked to the front of the mic, it gets better audio front and back. And then when you switch it to this, it goes either ear, which is kind of strange. I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong or if that's kind of how it's set up, but I'm going to leave it in the front facing position, which is in this one right here. Let me zoom in on that. I'm going to leave it in the front facing position. I don't know, maybe someone else knows. I don't at the moment, but we'll kind of do that in the review then. So here's a closer look at the mic itself. You switch this right here for only front, and then you switch this for both, front and back. This is your output right here, so you plug this in to the wire, into your camera. I'm currently using the EOS R. And then this is the most interesting thing too right here. You have an input. So the only thing worth showing you on the manual right here is you can put a lav mic so you could pick up both audios. So if you wanted to be able to get someone's audio far away and yours currently, you can do that. Definitely a great investment. And it's kind of textured. And the mic is an actual metal. Like, this is an actual lightweight metal. So it actually has a cool feel to it. Can't wait to get out and try this more. This was the unboxing of the Deity D4 Duo mic. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.